Hey guys, welcome back to Siblings Crafts.
For today's video, we'll be making a rainbow pencil holder / anything holder really. Just remember, if you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe for more content. Without further ado, let's start the video. So for this craft, you'll be needing
A cup?
preferably paper because we don't want to hurt the environment now, do we?
No, we don't.
That's right. You'll also be needing
Some glue.
Try to use liquid glue if possible, because it definitely works a lot better than a glue stick. And the most important thing is
Popsicle stick.
Whoa! How did that happen? Oh, did you do that?
Yeah.
Alright. To start things off, make your own pattern in which you'll be decorating the cup with. We prefer to make a rainbow because it's both of our favorite. So Samreen, you can start making the pattern now. So now you can take your popsicle sticks one by one, put the glue on it. Oh, come out. There we go. Alright. And then you can just take it and stick it onto the cup. Like this. Oh, I hope I did that right. Alright, there we go. And then just press it for a little. So that it doesn't fall off. Wow, Samreen, look at this. We did such a great job.
We sure
It looks like a great rainbow.
We sure did do a good job.
You're a cowboy?
Yeah.
Alright, now you can put all the things that you don't have spaces for in your other bins into here. Yay! Just a note, you can make this as big or as small as you want. It just depends on the container and the amount of popsicle sticks you have. So anyways, thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.